Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making a healthy summer drink which is good for coronavirus, as you also need an immune booster these days and want to stay safe. This is also good for people who are dieting and want a healthy drink and are trying to avoid soft drinks and juices. Okay, and this drink is also rich in vitamin C, good for antibacterials, antivirals, and anti-inflammatories. For this recipe, we are going to be needing 1 bowl of mint leaves, fresh mint leaves, half teaspoon of cinnamon and garlic powder. This is to your choice and how you like it in taste. 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar to be healthy, and 1 tablespoon of salt. I also have 1 liter of water here and ice cubes. So let's get started. Start by adding my water into the blender. There. Okay, I'm going to keep this aside. I'm going to add in the mint leaves. And I'm going to blend this. Okay, now I'm just going to add the lemon juice, brown sugar, salt, cinnamon powder, and garlic powder. And blend it again. Now I'm just going to turn this off and I'm going to add in the ice cubes. It's cold. Last one. Here. And the blender goes on again. I'm just going to take this out. When it was blended, I took it out and now I'm just going to pour it into this jug. That looks so good. There. Just going to keep this aside. And then I'm going to pour it into this glass. I have a mint leaf on the side of the glass. Make it look good. There. So that is your healthy summer drink and it looks so good, doesn't it? You guys should really try this recipe, and if you do, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!